If you are interested in having houseplants but you forgot to water the plants, don't miss this video. We wanna introduce plants are resistant to low water. Succulents have 60 different genera. Their leaves, roots, and stems are thick that can save water, so you just water once a week. They can survive in warm and low water environments because they can absorb moisture from the environment, so it can withstand in harsh conditions. Aerobic plants is attractive and low expectations that you can hang it in home because it just needs to air in order to grow. It cannot be in water or soil at all. Also, you can put them in glass or a wood as home decor. Irrigation of aerobic plants is very easy. You have to immerse them in water 2 or 3 hours every 10 days. Zamifolia is a plant that destroying is harder than caring. As roots of Zamifolia is rhizome, it is tolerant to low water because rhizomes can store water. Zamifolia is always green and very tolerant to environmental stress. It means it is resistant to low light and low water. Aspidistra, because of having rhizome, is one of the tolerant plants to drought and temperature fluctuations. It is resistant to low light too. Aspidistra lives many years without nutrition and repotting. Ponytail palm is very easy to care, especially for beginners. It can be perfect for home and office. Ponytail palm has thick and branching stems that can store water and can be low water conditions. As Sansevieria have rhizome stem and it is native to South Africa, it is resistant to low light and adverse environmental conditions, and you can put in different parts of your home, even low light parts. Pothos is one of the most popular houseplants that can be grown easily. This plant is tolerant to low light and drought don't damage to it. Aglonema can tolerate low light and medium light. It is resistant to low water too, but it's better you water this plant when you see 4 cm of soil is dry.